Welcome to Mobile Track Solutions. Mobile Track Solutions is a leading manufacturer of earth-moving equipment based in Elkader, Iowa. We provide innovative solutions to earth movers worldwide. With 160,000 square feet of manufacturing space, we have the capability to research, design, test, produce, and assemble our products in-house. At MTS, we offer a variety of tractor scraper models to fit your customers' needs, along with an array of support equipment such as discs, rollerblades, and sheep's foot rollers. All of our products are tested in real-world environments, ensuring they are fine-tuned for efficiency and ease of use. Our designs are built to be long-lasting and agile, ready to meet any real-world conditions. At Mobile Track Solutions, our focus is on how much dirt our machines can move each second, rather than hours, days, or even months. This approach comes from our contractor-based background, allowing us to provide unparalleled solutions. We take pride in providing excellent service and support to our customers and dealers. Seeing our customers and dealers' success with our products puts a smile on all our faces.